Hi everybody, today I will show you how the data rate measurement feature works for the Pandora Frog family, Pro and Gov. For this demo, I used a Pandora Frog Gov. First of all, go to the RxTX tab. Set the frequency on which the signal is and you can see the measure button. Let's try this feature by clicking the button and transmitting a message with a random remote. We can see that the data rate of the transmission is measured and set quickly. For this remote, it seems to be around 2069 bits per second. The value can change slightly from one measurement to another. A difference of plus or minus 50 bits per second is not significant. For the last measurement, we change the displayed value and we get the result 2037 bits per second. So now you don't need to know the data rate, Pandora Frog will do it for you. Thank you for watching this ROG demo. Goodbye.